Hey guys, it's me Smart Tech back with another video. Today we are going to be make a custom ringtone. Yes guys, you can make a custom ringtone, whatever you like, and it's of course for iPhone, so it's on iPhone. And so yeah guys, let's get started. This is actually pretty simple, more simple than you think. But anyways, let's get started. So all you'll need first is you'll need 3 tools, and so all you'll need is a brain, you'll need an iPhone, and you'll need 3 tools, and you'll need your video link on YouTube, or just the link to the file or something like that, or just if you have an MP3 file or something or whatever. You just basically upload it to your computer. And so yeah, so first of all I'm going to use a YouTube. So I use YouTube mp3.cc, and I insert the URL. So I have a YouTube, I have a song from YouTube, and I just click the download button, but I already did that. And yes, and then you click from PC. You can select from iDevice unless if you have it on iTunes, I think you can do that. I'm not quite sure. And then downloads, class. Wow, my cruise boat nostalgia. And then you can select how long you want it. So I'm gonna go here around when it starts. I'll make it 30 seconds. There's no point. And so yeah. And once I like it, you just click generate ringtone. You can rename the ringtone, but I don't care. And then, yeah, succeeded to import. You can close that, and then I'll show you real-time screen. Closing that screen. Yep. As you can see, so I'm going to go into settings. I'm going to scroll down till I find sounds and ringtone. There it is. There we go, and that's how you can have a custom ringtone on your iPhone. So anyways, thank you for watching. Links to all the converters and the 3 tools are in the link description below, so go and do this right now. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you later. Bye.